Question number 1. Under which article can the President of India declare a financial emergency? And the answer is Article 360. Question number 2. Who was the first chairperson of the Constituent Assembly of India? And the answer is Sachidanand Sinha. Question number 3. What is the maximum gap allowed between two sessions of Parliament? And the answer is 6 months. Question number 4. Which schedule of the Constitution deals with anti-defection law? And the answer is 10th schedule. Question number 5. Which Constitutional Amendment Act introduced Panchayati Raj institutions? And the answer is 73rd Amendment Act. Question number 6. The concept of judicial review in the Indian Constitution is borrowed from which country? And the answer is United States of America. Question number 7. Which article provides for the composition of the Election Commission? And the answer is Article 324. Question number 8. The President can promulgate an ordinance under Article 123 only when. Parliament is not in session. Question number 9. Who has the power to admit a new state into the Union of India? And the answer is Parliament. Question number 10. Which article deals with the special provisions for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes? And the answer is Article 46. Question number 11. What is the minimum age required to become the Vice President of India? And the answer is 35 years. Question number 12. Who decides on the disqualification of a member of Parliament under the 10th schedule? And the answer is Chairman, depending on the House. Question number 13. In which case did the Supreme Court propound the doctrine of basic structure? And the answer is Keshavananda Bharatiya versus State of Kerala. Question number 14. Which body recommends the distribution of taxes between the center and the states? And the answer is Finance Commission. Question number 15. What is the term of office of the Chief Election Commissioner? And the answer is 6 years or till 65. Question number 16. Which fundamental right is available to both citizens and foreigners in India? And the answer is right to life and personal liberty. Question number 17. Which article abolishes untouchability in India? And the answer is Article 17. Question number 18. The Union Public Service Commission is a answer is constitutional body. Question number 19. The Interstate Council is established under which article? And the answer is Article 263. Question number 20. The idea of the concurrent list in the Indian Constitution is borrowed from. And the answer is Australia. Question number 21. Which amendment lowered the voting age from 21 years to 18 years? Answer is 61st Amendment Act. Question number 22. What is the minimum number of judges required to hear a case involving a constitutional amendment? Answer is 5. Question number 23. What is the maximum strength of the Lok Sabha as provided by the Constitution? Answer is 552. Question number 24. Who among the following has the power to dissolve the Lok Sabha? Answer is President. Question number 25. Who appoints the Chief Justice of India? Answer is President. Question number 26. Who can remove a High Court judge before the expiry of their term? Answer is President with parliamentary approval. Question number 27. The residuary powers in India lie with. Answer is Union Parliament. Question number 28. Which amendment made the right to education a fundamental right? Answer is 86th Amendment. Question number 29. The process of impeachment of the President is described in which article? Answer is Article 61. Question number 30. Which commission recommended the reorganization of states on a linguistic basis? Answer is Faisal Ali Commission.